So before we start with the berry stitch, one thing you want to note is that the stitch will show up on the back or the wrong side of your work. So if you have a look, this is a row that I'm currently working the berry stitch on, and you can see that it's all flat at the back, but on the, sorry, at the front, but on the back where I'm creating is where you see the actual stitch. To create the berry stitch, the first thing we're going to do is yarn over. We're then going to insert our hook into the stitch or space indicated. We're going to yarn over and we're going to pull up a loop. And you're going to have 3 loops on your hook. The next step we're going to do is then yarn over again, and we're going to just pull through that very first loop on our hook, and we'll be left with 3 loops on our hook again. So now we're going to yarn over again. We're going to insert back into the same spot that we inserted previously, and then we're going to insert our hook, we're going to yarn over, and we're going to pull up another loop, and we're then going to have 5 loops on our hook. And then to finish the stitch, we're going to yarn over and we're going to pull through all 5 of those loops on our hook. And then we're left with 1, and we've got our little berry stitch. So to create a fabric with the berry stitch, what I recommend is doing 1 row that is alternating berry stitch with a single crochet or a double crochet in UK terms, and then at the end of that row then doing a row of just single crochet. So then the berry stitch will be on every second row and will show out towards the back. You can make quite a pretty little fabric. So we use the berry stitch in our April Clubhouse project. So we've made this beanie, which shows up a lot of texture with the berry stitch. And we've also used it to make this scarf, which was made with a Lola, so quite a fine weight yarn, but it creates a nice dense texture that makes for a pretty scarf.